types of data members also, how to call which method, already we discussed in the previous class. So we mentioned it, how to define instance method, how to define class level method, what is a self and what is CLS, discussed in detail, whose examples also posted in the previous class. Now it is time to move to the further, go to our index. Once we go to our index, there we are having some more discussion to be done, some more examples I want to go for it. So let me go to, before going to this place, I would like to go for a small example, an elementary example where I can deal with oops related example, small example with the classes and object. Write down, open the notes, write a Python program, very simple example. Write a Python program which will calculate, which will calculate addition of two numbers by using classes and objects. Addition of two numbers by using classes and objects. Addition of two numbers by using classes and objects. By using classes and objects. So how we go for it? First you try to understand. I'm going to take it. So I'm going to take it. Something like example here is called numbers sum. So example.py. So please look at this now. So example1.py. So try to follow me now. So first, before going to this area, so this is the program code. You know how to do in functional programming, program for adding of two numbers by using classes and objects. All our functional programming example you can do by using OOPS concepts. How do you deal with this? As I already said to you, any type of program you are writing in OOPS, you have to start with the concept of classes. So I'm going to take a class called sum. I'm going to take a class called sum. In that, what I want what I said. My sir said that class is a collection of data members, and next is called what? Methods. What are the data members I'm going to take? A, B, C data members I will take, and I will take three methods. One method for taking the values for A, B. One method for adding. One method to display. I can write everything in one place only, but I want to write more number of methods. This is my class. This is my class importance. I want to go for it. So how do you go about it? Class. Already said to you, sum is my class. Where I need to go for it. What is this now? DEF. If I say this, if I say here pause, coming to main program now, coming to main program, if I say S is equal to sum of, it is containing, content is equal to, nothing is there inside of that. No content is available, empty. So how do you fill the data? How do you fill the data? I'm going to write yes dot, what is this now? Accept. Yes dot accept. It is nothing but I want to read values. So I can say read values. One instance method I want to define. So this method is not there inside the class called sum. I need to define. How do you define? DEF. What is the function name? Read values of self is coming. So I will write a self dot A is equal to float of. I'm going to write it. Enter first number. Then next I will take it self dot B is equal to second number I'm taking. After this is completed, you try to print one more time. You see students asking enter the first number, then enter the second number 2.3. So beginning it is empty, later it is going to be red, and this object contains two values or not. So how it is done? By using the method called read values, instance method. Now I want to add s dot what here? Add values. Add values. Add values is called what? One method which is not there in this class. What is the error will come? Attribute error. So if I say 7 and 6, you are going to get which error? Attribute error is going to come. So I need to define what here? DEF. So the function called what? Add values. I'm going to get it. There I need to write it. How do you add the data? S dot add values. So already S contains the values or not? When you say S dot values, add values, it will go to which class? Some class. S values are available in where? Self. So how do you add that? As I said, self dot C is equal to self dot A plus self dot B. Self dot A belongs to what? S dot A, S dot B. So it is added. Again, you print the data. After adding, you print the data. See here, I'm going to enter something like 5 and 6. You got it. C also available as a part of object or not? So if you take it, beginning it is containing empty. Beginning it is containing empty students. Beginning it is containing empty. Later it is containing input. Later output also will be available in C. Suppose if I don't write self here, that time what will happen? It is not a data member of object S. It will become what? Local variable. Local variable. So local variable only will be there. Output will not be coming. Simply AB only will be there. If I write a self dot C, what will happen? It will become the variable in where? C. Data member it will become. So try to run that. Now I'm going to say 7.8 and you are going to get the C value also here. And you are understanding the difference between self dot C and just C. Self dot C related to object data member, only C related to local variable. Already we know what is the local variable in the future, previously only. So I'm going to write it s dot what values? Display values I need to take. Display values I need to take. So display values is a method which is not there inside the class. I need to go for defining. So what is this now? DEF display values. Display values I will take it. Display values I will take it. So I want to print it. So print of I'm going to write value of a, comma, self dot a I'm writing. Next I'm writing self dot b. Next I'm writing here print of, I'm going to write it, sum is equal to, comma, self dot c I'm going to write it. Self dot c I'm going to write it. So now these are the one is reading, one is adding, and one more is printing. So let us run this now. This part I will take off. This only for tracing part I used it. So try to run this now. So run this code 1020. So you are going to get the output something like this. In simple word, any class is available. I will take a method for reading. I'll take a method for calculating. I'll take a method for displaying. This is one simple way. And all the previous programs of our functional programming, happily you can convert into which type? Object oriented programming you can convert. 2.py here, 2.py I am writing. So there I will calculate. I'll carry this now. In another way, how to do it? Now I'm going to write simply I will go to here, I will go to something like this. Add values I took it. For example, what is the content of S now? Content of S. Modu, top quality, print of what? Yes dot underscore dict is empty. ఇక్కడ ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఎంటీ. ఏం రాదు అసలు. ఏ చదువుతారా లేదా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత? ఎందుకు మీరు అసలు? సో ఎస్ డాట్ డిక్ట్ ఎంటీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఎంటీ. నో డేటా ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ దట్. సో if I write like this, here s dot add values, what will happen? It will go to add values. What is the content of s is present over there? Empty. Empty dot self a, self dot b will give you which error? Attribute error. Attribute error. So add values, to do add values, some values must be there in S. That values are not there in S. It will give you which error? Attribute error. Execute it. You are going to get attribute error. You cannot do this. So for that, what you will do? Before adding, you are going to call which method? Read values method. How do you call? Self dot read values you will do. Self dot you will do. Self dot read values you will say. That means before going to add it, you are going to print this data. So how do you print this data? For example, you keep a comment after reading the values. How do you print the content? How do you print the content? మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తే నాకే బాధ అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది ఒకసారి. సో సెల్ఫ్ డాట్ వాట్ అండర్ స్కోర్ dictive. So here how you used to write s dot underscore dictive. Here what is the s equivalent to? Self. Whose self dot underscore dictive. You will get the output. So 4 and then 5, you will be getting what? These values are coming. Here s1 dot underscore dictive. What the s1 is called here? Self. So ఇది తెలియదా మీకు? తెలియదా? ఇప్పుడు చదువుతాయి కదా. So this is the one we are going to get it. Self dot c, self dot a, self dot b. It is added. After that, I want to display this result. To display the result, I want to call which function? Display values. How do you call? Self dot display values. So this will be calling here. So add values function calling read values. It is doing the calculation. After that, it is calling the another function. So within the function, I can call another functions. So run this now. It is 100. It is a 200. It is what happens? So here it is not this one. Display values. Display values you need to do. So execute 100 and 200. You are getting the answer called something like this. I hope that this is another way. One method can call the another method. The total story is there on the self only. The self is a very, very important. The total, the heavenly concept is available of hoops only inside the self. Self to be understandable when you practice it. Otherwise, if you don't practice, you will not understand. Online students, I hope you may be understanding this. So I already said multiple examples in yesterday and today also we did. Next, one more example. Right up. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will write a Python program which will read employee data, which will read employee data from keyboard, which will read employee data from keyboard, which will read employee data from keyboard and insert them as record, insert them as a record, insert them as a record in employee table, in employee table, in employee table by using classes and objects, by using classes and objects. Write a Python program which will read employee details from keyboard and insert them as a record in employee table by using classes and objects. So I'm going to write classes and object related program. Already we have done this code in where Python database communication. Now we are going to enter into oops record insert. Oops with database. Oops with database. Example 1.py. So how we can do it? So here I'm going to write it. Program for reading employee values from keyboard and what? Insert them as record in employee table. Employee table. insert them as employee, insert them as record in employee table. Hmm. Start with Oracle, MySQL. ఏం కావాలి? ఏది వద్దు సార్, ఏదైనా ఒకటేనా? కమాన్, MySQL. So MySQL, Oracle also, MySQL also, anything. సో ఏది లేదనుకోండి, ఏదైనా ఒకటే కదా. పల్లుడు కూడా ఒకటి, ఏ రాయి అయినా ఒకటే, అంతే కదా. Those who did not do the project, anything is okay. Still, by seeing you, some of the people did not install even Oracle also, MySQL also. Your face will show that whether you which concepts you have practiced and all. Okay, MySQL, we will go for it. Start with what I'll do. Class. Hmm. What is the class? I'll take it employee. Employee. What is this employee here? It is called a class. Inside, what I will do? I will take it first diagrammatic representation. Employee is called what? Class. Employee is called class. There I am going to take it. There I am going to take it. E and O. Next is called E name. Next is called salary. Next is called salary. Okay. Now I will take it. Three details I will take it. Now what are these details? Get employee details. Get employee details. Next is called what? Save employee details. Get employee details. Save employee details. Get employee details will do what? Getting the data from where? Keyboard. Save employee details will do what? Whatever the details you read, that I'm going to save it into where? Employee table. Employee table. Okay now? Shall we start off? This is called which diagram? Class diagram. Class diagram. If you are a CSE background, if you are a CSE background, there is one subject untadi manaku. OOSD ani. OOSD. CSE background or OOAD. OOAD. Every CSE student will read, because the aim of this subject is when you enter into the software companies, there is a project designing will be there. Project designing. That project designing, if you want, there are some subject is required. There is the OOSD is a subject which is required. There you will use a class diagram, object diagram, sequence diagram, use case diagram, collaboration diagram. ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. చదివారా? అంటే ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఫార్ డెవలపింగ్ దట్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఇస్ రేషనల్ రోజ్ అనే ఒక టాపిక్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఉంటుంది. రేషనల్ రోజ్ ఆర్ టర్బో అనలిస్ట్. టర్బో అనలిస్ట్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద టూ IBM సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్. These are the designing software. After designing that, we can say right click and we can say code generation. That will give you skeleton code for that. And logic we will insert it. This is what is called rational rows, and a turbo analyst is our the actual software we need to install. Nowadays, in colleges, what they are teaching, they are instead of using this software, they are using this in MS Word. They are designing box. In box they are designing. MS Word they are using it. And see that from where to where they are bringing it. See, in MS Word they are drawing like a designer. They are doing it. Actually, we need to go for coding for that. That is what is the present system, right? So let us start with here. DEF get EMP details. Get EMP details. So I'm going to take it. Under that, now I'm going to take self dot EMP no is equal to int of enter employee number. Next I'm going to write it enter employee name. Next I will go to enter employee salary. Like that. Three details I'm going to take it. Company name, if you want, you can take it. Depends on your requirement, you can read. So self I'm writing. What is the use of this self? Self makes you to get it into the data into which object? Employee object. Employee object. So there I will go for what? Main program. Main program. So before writing the program, you should have some plan of action in the brain. Plan of action in the brain. Plan of action in the brain ante Suppose from Hyderabad, if I want to go to my Andhra Pradesh, I will get down in the train or I will get down in the bus. Next, what stop will come? I know, na? Next, what stop will come? I know. Next, what stop will come? I know. That is called what? Projection. Programming also same. Correct or not? So, do you have projection? పలకడా అన్నిటికీ ఇట్లా ఇట్లా బొమ్మల్లా కూర్చుంటారు. So, are you having projection? So, main program here. This is the data what you are having. So, let us move to the which object I will create. EO is equal to what? Employee of. What is EO? Object of which class? Employee class. What data you can store? My own employee data. My own operation. Is it called customized data to store? Customized operations to perform. So, what is the content of EO now? What is the content of EO now? ఎంటీ. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్నిసార్లు 30 సార్లు అడిగి ఉంటాను నేను అది. ఈఓ డాట్ డిక్ట్ డిక్ట్ ఎంటీ. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు రీడ్ ద డేటా. హౌ డు యూ రీడ్ ద డేటా? టు రీడ్ ద డేటా దెర్ ఇస్ అ ఫంక్షన్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? గెట్ ఎంప్లాయీ డీటెయిల్స్. హౌ డు యూ డూ? ఈఓ డాట్ సి ఈఓ డాట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద డేటా ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్. సి వాట్ ఎవర్ ద things are there inside the class. Whenever I say EO dot, see, all the details are coming as it is to the object. As it is to the object. Are you getting or not? As it is to the object. What are all the details are mentioned inside the class? They are appearing as it is with the memory space in where? Object. Where I written that? In the class concept I wrote it. So that part I'm going to write it. Get employee details. Get employee details. How the flow will be? ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? Get employee details called with respect to EO. EO is an object of employee. Goes to where? Employee class. Looking for which method? Get employee details. EO is available in where? Self. And self dot salary. Are you following this? So that are there in EO. That are there in EO. Are you following that? So EO is containing. Before that, it is containing empty. EO dot underscore is called what? Dict. Under that, now I'm going to take it. Print of EO dot underscore what? Dict. Underscore dict. So here I'm going to have empty. Enter the number. Enter RS. Enter 2.3. I got these details. This is only because of what? Self. If I remove self, it will become what? Employee number, name and salary becomes what? Local variable. Understand? Local variables that are becoming. So online students, now you are getting. Now I want to go for what? You are understanding the employee object now. So I will go to EO dot. What is this now? Save EMP employee data. Employee data. Now I am going to take up employee data. What is the save employee data is called? Function name, method name. So I'm defining here. What is this now? Employee data. What should I write it? Self. So there I need to write the data. Which data I need to write? The code for PDBC, Python database communication code I need to write. Shall I? Which database you want? MySQL you said you want. So I will go to the particular module or not? How many steps are there? How many? How many? Hmm? Six are there. Six steps are there. What is the first step? Import the module. Import the module. Import MySQL dot connector. MySQL dot connector. Error is coming. Why error is coming? Hmm? Why error is coming here? MySQL, if I run my code, you will get module not found error. Indentation error first. 14th line indentation error. Where is the 14th line indentation error? Yes. So I will say pass. So here it is going to be called what? Module not found error MySQL. Why module not found error? Hmm? Why module not found error? తెలుగులో చెప్పిన ఒకటే, తెలుగులో చెప్పిన ఏం కాదు. Telugu also no problem, Hindi also no problem, Marathi also no problem. And నవ్వుతారు ఎందుకు? Come on. Why module not found error? I am asking. First, we need to install the module. That is called process. That is so. That's why module not found error. What is security testing? It is used to test the security. Atla kaadu. What is module not found error? Module not found error. That's why module. Yes. Hmm? So, if you look at my notes, Python programming does not contain this module. Guido van Rossum did not develop the module for MySQL, Oracle, etc. Muthu, look at this. So, మీరు ఊరికే నవ్వుకోవడం కాదు, మీరు చదువుకొని రావాలి ఇక్కడికి. So, if you go to this explanation, Python database communication, చదువుకోకుండా ఉత్తగా లేమ్యాన్ లాగా వస్తే ఏం లాభం ఇక్కడికి? If a Python programmer want to communicate with any RDBMS database software, there must be a predefined module. Such a predefined module does not exist in Python software. Some third-party vendors developed module for Python programmers to communicate with RDBMS database software that are there in GitHub. Those third-party modules must be installed. So you need to answer me why this is an error. Why this is an error is coming. You have to say, sir, our Python interpreter does not contain this module as a predefined module. It is a third-party module developed by some of the Oracle Corporation vendor. That type of module is not present in Python software because Guido van Rossum did not recognized by the Python interpreter. That's why Python module not found error. Then how do you fix this issue? Means you have to go for install and settings, install those kind of. Don't do attender job, okay? Attender job, no. Why this is error? You have to say this module is not there in the Python software. Guido van Rossum did not develop this module. That's why it is called module not found error. So how do you fix this issue? You need to say install from GitHub by going for settings. Under that Python interpreter. Under that plus single click, pip double click. Already I said you all those things. Right. Go to the place. So try to improve your way of communication. Otherwise, it's a problem always. So I'll go to settings here. I'll go to here Python level. I'll go to Python. In this space interpreter, I will take it plus. I will take it as what? MySQL MySQL hyphen connector. MySQL hyphen connector. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అది? MySQL hyphen connector. Install. That will be getting installed. Once you click on that, it is getting installed. Say, try to say okay, and it is going to be installing now. It got installed. It is under this scanning index and it got installed. Red line will go. In earlier, it is used to get successfully installed, something like that. You used to get it. So you want to check it once again whether it is installed or not. Go to the settings once again. Python interpreter. You see, MySQL connector is installed. If you want one more, I said to install. I said to you. Do you remember that connector hyphen? Come on, Python. This one. So this also try to install. You are installing that. Say OK to that. It is also going to install it here. Installing collected packages, etc. That is also getting installed. So also completed. If you want to look at that, you can go to this place and then both of them are getting installed. So that is perfect. Now I need to write the Python database connection code. How do you write it? Before going to write it, come on, what should I do? Get the connection. So how do you get the connection? Con is equal to MySQL. That is nothing but I will write it here. One small thing as MC shortcut you will take it. MC dot connect of I need to write what host is equal to what should I do? I need to write local host. What is the local host? What is the local host? Hmm? What is the local host? Default DNS. Same system. Default DNS. What is the default DNS? When my Python program and a database software present in the same system, we have to specify default DNS called localhost. That is called a localhost. What is a localhost? Same system. Wrong answer. That explanation is important. So that's what I'm saying. Don't do attender job. Do what? Professional, top professional job you need to do it. Host is equal to next is called password is equal to you need to take it. That is nothing but what is my password here? Root. In this place, database also I need to take it. Already I said to you what operation I'm going to do. Inserting record is nothing but which operation? Insert query I need to use. So let me list it what my batch is. I hope batch 11 a.m. you remember. Go to once to MySQL. So MySQL here, I'm going to have root. This is the one. How to see the database? Show databases. So this is the one. Batch 11 a.m. is there. Under that, use batch 11 a.m. Batch 11 a.m. And next to show tables. Show tables. Here I'm going to write it. And these are the tables. Employee table is there. Select star from where? Employee. Select star from employee. These are the details are available. Extra one column name is also there or company name is also there or not. That also if I want, I will go for it. So already table is there, right? If table is not there, what you will do? You need to create. How many values you want? Three values means three columns. Still I am having already. I will take one more company name also. I will read here. Go to that. I will take it as what? Company name also I will take it. Company name also I will take. Employee. What is this? Company name also I will take it. This is called a C name. This is called a C name. I am going to take it. So here I am going to take it. Employee present in where? Batch 11 a.m. So come out of that. Now I am going to take it. Cursor is equal to con dot cursor off. Con dot cursor off. Now I am going to take up this part. You try to remove the pass, and next I will go for query. Get the query now. So insert query is equal to insert into. I'm going to write it. Insert into which table? Employee. Insert into employee. What is this now? Values. How many values? Percentage D, comma, percentage within the percentage S, comma, percentage F, and I will write it percentage S, comma, percentage S, close, close. Right? What should I do then? Double quotes and I need to write percent of. What should I do? Percent of. I need to write how many values I need to write? These things self.eno, self.ename, self.salary, self. These things I need to take it. So I will write it self.eno, self.ename, self.salary, self. CName. These are the mentioned. Already I mentioned in where Python database communication also. Today we are doing with what? Oops. So cursor dot execute of IQ. What I will do there? Print off. I say record inserted. Inserted. So inserted. Okay. Dot format of what should I do? Come on. CUR dot row count. Already row count concept is explained. మనకి ఏం తెలుసు సార్ కదా, ఎంసీ డాట్ database error as db. What is the use of db? What is the use of db? Hmm? What is the use of db? What is the use of db? ఎందుక మీరు అసలు పూజిత సేయింగ్ అలియాస్ నేమ్ అంటే ఉత్తగా అలియాస్ నేమ్ చెప్తే అయిపోద్దా? Hmm? Huh? Various forms of except block. Then almost 6 to 7 forms I said. Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 2. This is a Form 2. Form 3. This is what is this. Single except block with alias name. This syntax capture third party software related exception messages in Python program. For this purpose, I will go for alias name. చదువులేదు ఏం లేదు, right? So here it is like this. So like this. So now I am going to enter into the this. For this purpose only I already said to you, go to the place. Here I am going to enter into this code. So problem in MySQL DB. So for capturing third party exception messages, I use like this. So here I will run my code. Save employee details. Now I will run my code. So run this code. So I will go to this place, enter employee number. So this is the table already we are having, students. Now try to run it. So there I'm going to write it 300. Next is employee name is called Pujita. So Pujita. Next is called some 3.4. Company name is called TCS here. So what is happening here? So what is happening? It is inserted or not, we will go for it. So something is here. Insert into employee. So look at that. Inserted or not inserted? Not inserted because committee is not there. Committee is not there. So I will write it con dot commit off. Con dot commit off. You need to do. After executing, you need to do commit off. Let me run this code again. So save this code again here. So say so 300 here. Next is called Pujita here. Next 3.4, 3.5 here. So TCS here. So I'm going to take up. So what is happening? Inserted or not, we will see. It is also not inserted here. What is the problem? Localhost, user, password, database, cursor object, first here, bracket, missing IQ, bracket, missing IQ, insert into values. Everything is there, ma. It's also there. Execute of IQ, commit. First of all, we will see that one small moment here. So connection established. Whether this is getting 100 or 150. So this is a problem is coming here. Why this problem is coming here? Already we executed now. Already we got now. Okay. So you try to go to this place. Try to go to this place. I want to show you the result for you. Already last class when we executed, having some problem there, it is giving some problem here. Error is coming. It is not giving executed with zero exit code is not coming. You try to execute in your system, 100% it will come. Let me go to this place here. I will show you the result at any cost today. Go to this place. Here I am trying to run this. Jupyter notebook I am using to run this code. Look at students. This is my code. I copied, pasted as it is. There is no changes at all here. Insert into employee values. Then employee table, everything is correct. I hope so. Now I will run my code. This is the code I am using it. Run it. Employee number is called 300. Employee name is called something like Pujita. So, so 3.5 I will take it. Next I'm going to write it TCS. So see that here what is happening. Success duplicate key is there. Already 300 is there. It is saying it seems. Now go to run once again. No problem because there is a 300 number is there already. Yeah? Okay. No issue. Go to the value called what? 100. 100 is already there. Huh? Not there. So next is called Pujita here. So next I will go to, so go to this place. Next I will go to 3.4. Next is called TCS here. Now you got it. One record inserted here. One record inserted. This is only success I written only for seeing the whether that is getting traced or not. So go to the place here, my data, MySQL, to try to run it. What will happen? You see, is it inserted or not? Inserted. So here also you are supposed to run it, but this problem is coming something here, and it is not a problem from our program side. Something is happening here. So say 125, say some name, and say some value, say some value here. It is not reacting on it. It is giving some smart problem here. This is a problem is coming. I hope already we executed this program in our previous sessions. So all of a sudden some problem is arising here, and I was executed my program into this place. Okay now. So you can run this code and you can go for inserting the data, something like this. So you can run this code once again here. So number is called something like 400. So something like, so something like Rajesh, you go for this data. Now you say the value called as 3.6 and say something like Wipro here. So see that one record inserted. Go to MySQL, it is getting inserted. Rajesh also inserted. Are you seeing this? This is the way how you can insert it. So this MySQL is in my place. PyCharm is giving some small exiting code problem here. Try to deal with that. Jupyter Notebook. In your system, there is no problem will be coming because I have multiple softwares. Maybe some reinstallation required about this entire thing. So online students, you got a number, you got an output here, and data is inserted here. If we go to Oracle related kind of, go to the place. Here I will take the same data. This is a database one. Go to the next database, the Oracle database if you want. Already you know Oracle database what to do. Here I am going to write it. So in this place, what is this? Somebody is saying, Aniket. So you are saying something, my dear student. Use pure is equal to something you are saying. What is that pure and all those things? So I will use it. Use pure is equal to true. Something I will use it. Maybe he's using some small technique he's suggesting me. So where it is, go to after password. Okay. So after password, I will try to use it. use pure is equal to true. I'll try to run it again. So the value is called 500. Aniket. Salary is called 1.4, and the next is called TCS. So it is going to be one record is inserted. Something use pure is there something. Okay, Aniket, anyhow good. So go to the place. You see this place. You are having Aniket also inserted, and you see something like use pure. Something is there in this. Use pure. I am keeping comment there. Let us run once again. You enter the value called 550. Say some name called say some name. Something is equal to. Sir, this type of error also gave my system. Okay, that's why you use pure is equal to true. So something like Raju here. So next I will go to 1.0 here and say something like ABC here. So also giving something here. So something here, it is giving this type of problem. So this type of error code is coming. So use pure is equal to true. I will look into that. What is that use pure is equal to true? We'll go for it. This point, this you don't worry about it. You try to run your system because it is not our program related problem. It is a problem related with the Python distribution. The same program, if you execute in other versions, you will be getting it. Because as and when Python database is getting changed it, the according to the ID version also supposed to be changed it. Okay, anyhow, go to that. We executed that program by going to the top popular ID called what? Jupyter Notebook. This ID I will introduce very soon when it starts module 2. Data science module 2 when it is introduced. I'll tell you how to install and all those things. Anyhow, come to the next point called what? Another one I'm going to use it. The same kind of concept, try to take it into this place. Into this place. Start working on it too. Here I will use what? Oracle I will use it. Oracle database. So there also I will go to connect. What are the details you need to take care, students? What are the details you need to take it? Double quotes, username, password, password, at the rate, local host, and service ID or CL. Same, same. This everything is same. Same query. I will import, what is that? Oracle DB, Oracle DB as what? ORC. As ORC. Install this Oracle DB also. Oracle DB. Here I will write ORC here. ORC here. Here also you will go for ORC here. Okay. So this is comes under Oracle. ORC here. This is DB only. Try to install this Oracle DB once. Go to the Oracle DB. Go to the place. Here settings. Python interpreter. Python interpreter. Look for this plus. There I'll go for Oracle DB. Oracle DB. This is a module. Select it and then install it. So say install and say close. Say OK. So it is getting installed here. Here you are getting the message called installing collected packages. Something you will get it. So that is once it is getting installed, it is updating its skeleton. Now it is perfect. So try to check in the Oracle database once. Try to check in Oracle database once. So there I will go to this place. This is Oracle system here. System here. I'll say tiger here. So there I'm going to get it. Select star from. Already we are having employee table, I hope. Employee table here. Having already some data is available here. Some values are already available here. Now I need to start entering. 7 records are there. Try to run this program in this case. So as usual, try to run. So enter the employee number of 500. So next is called Aniket. Next is called some 3.5. So something like TCS. So got record, one record inserted. So when it is successfully executed, you are getting finished code with exit code 0. Earlier code we got something different. So when I use pure, something like Aniket said that no, use pure is equal to true. What is the meaning of it? I will try to tell you that next session. Right now, don't worry about it. TCS. Now I will go to this Oracle database. I'll say select star from. Is it Aniket inserted or not? 7 records are there earlier. Now it is eighth record is available. Getting me? Like that. If you run next also, it will be going for run once again. So I'll be getting some 600, something like this. I'm writing here. You see that one more record inserted. Go to the place. Here it is called one more record inserted. This is called how to write the code for database level. So I'm writing try and accept PDBC code inside the oops itself. Now I'm calling that particular methods here. Understood? Right. Next. Online students. Next program. One more program. Right up. So I will go to next pickling related program. I will take it. Right down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept accept student, which will accept student details from keyboard, student details from keyboard, student details from keyboard, and install and insert them and insert them insert them into the file by using classes and objects, by using classes and objects, by using classes and objects with pickling process, with pickling process. So we need to go for pickling process related example I'm going to tell. Okay. So let us move to the further back. So I'm going to enter into pickling process. Now I'm going to write it oops with pickle. Oops with pickle example dot py. Oops with pick example dot py. So there I'm going to write it. So there I'm going to write pick example dot py. There is one more thing. This is one program. Another program also I want to dictate. Program for reading student details from keyboard and insert them as a record in file by using classes and object. This is one thing. One more program I want to write it. Unpickle program also I want to write. Right now, next one. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program for reading the records. For reading the records. For reading the records from from file, file, student records and student records from file by using classes and objects, classes and objects with with unpickling process, unpickling process, with unpickling process. Okay, so pickling process here, insert them in a record in a file by using classes and objects with a pickling, with a pickling process, with a pickling process. So these two programs I will write it. Before that, in the pickling and unpickling, earlier I was used which object? First of all, గుర్తుందా అసలు? Student.py. Student.py. What is the student.py? It is one class I am taking. Earlier I took it which class? Pickling process takes class student. I am going to take it. Student. I am going to take it. In this place, I am going to take it. DEF something like get STUD data. Get STUD data. There I am writing self.SNO is equal to SNO. Some parameters I will take it here. Some parameters I will take it. SNO comma SName comma something like marks I am taking. SNO self dot name is equal to self dot marks is equal to. I'm defining my own class. What is the need of this class? Within 2 minutes, you will come to know. Display STUD values you will be seeing. I want to print the data here. So I'm going to print it backslash t, backslash t, backslash t, dot the format of this entire thing we are going to get it. So this is a simple class I defined it. What is my class now? Student. This is called module name actually. This is a module name. What is the student is called a class name. So coming to this place called unpickle program. What is the unpickle program says? Anybody remembering? Import pickle. Next, I will take a class. What is the class name? I am going to take it student pick is my class name. There I will take it DEF. DEF. I am going to take it. I am going to take it save STUD data. Save student data. Inside of it, I need to write the code. What should I do in the pickling process? What is the next step I need to do? Can you tell me? Huh? అందుకే with open కనిపించిందనా? What should I do? First, I need to do what? Need to read the data from the keyboard or not? That data I need to save it into where? File. So what should I do now? ఇప్పుడు ఉంది already. So coming to the place, here I am going to write it with open as I want to save one file. What is that file I want to save it? E colon KVR Python 11 a.m. KVR Python 11 a.m. Under that, oops here, I am taking under that, I think 11 a.m. Oops, I will take it 11 a.m. Under that, I will take it what? Something, what is the folder name? 11 a.m. Under that, oops here. Under this place, I want to keep my file. Under this, I want to keep my file. That is my intention actually. So I will write it in this place like this. In this place, I am writing what is this now? Student dot data. Student dot data. What is the student dot data? Is my file name. I will take AB as FP. As FP. మీకు ఇది గుర్తుందో లేదో తెలియదు కానీ బట్ ఐఎమ్ రిమెంబరింగ్ దట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్. So I'm not going to repeat the same implementation again. So there I need to go for accept the student data from keyboard. How do I get it? Here I'm going to write it. SNO is equal to int of input of. I will take it. Enter the student number. Next S name is equal to input of student name. Next is called marks is equal to. I will write it float of input of student marks. These 3 marks I am getting. These 3 marks I kept into where earlier? Which object I kept into? Which object I was kept these values earlier? ఆ? మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేశారు కదా కొంతమంది. నాకు కంప్లీట్ డౌట్ వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. మీరు అసలు చేశారా? ఎక్కడైనా కాపీ చేశారా అని. గెటింగ్ ఎ డౌట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. లిస్ట్ వీ కెప్ట్. వీ కెప్ట్ ఇంటూ లిస్ట్. మొద్దు చూడండి ఇక్కడ. సో గో టు ద ప్లేస్ 11 AM. You go to files. Go to files. Here files is there. Here you are going to introduce EMP pick example. In this place, if you look at list, I used it here. Create a list object. Save the iterable object data to this file. Append the EMP values to the list object. List is a predefined class. Today I want to use my own object. Today I want to use my own object. Add student values. Add the above values. Add the above values to student object. Student object. So create an object of a student. So is equal to student of. Student of. Student is a class present into which module? Student module. Class name is a student. Module also student. What I will do? What I will do, Madhubabu? Here I need to write in this place, not here. Here. So what should I do? Here from student import student. Import student. What is the first from student? Module. What is this student? Class. Student created. What is the content of SO? Madhubabu, empty. Empty. ఇప్పుడు 31సారి చెప్పడం ఇది. ఆల్రెడీ 32 సార్లు చెప్పాను. సో SO empty. How do you print? SO dot underscore int dict. So SO dot which function? SO dot already this is containing the function name called what? Get student data. Get student data. SO dot get student data of SNO comma SName. This one SNO comma SName comma like this I will write it. Get student of this function called and carry these values and SO. SO is an object of student. It will go to student module and SO data present into self. And these values are coming from that values and assigning to the self. Because of that, SO contains what values? Our own values. This is called a customized object. Next is called what? Save student object data. Student object data into the file. How do you do? Pickle dot dump of SO comma FP. SO comma FP. Already dump function. Because of that, I'm going to say student record saved in a file. Saved in file. So this part was done. This is done through my own class object. That is called customization will be done. This is about how to save the data. So I took the pickle module and I taken my own data from the keyboard. I'm choosing my file, opened in AB binary format, append mode, many records I will keep it, done. So if I run my code, nothing will execute because it is not having any function to call. So I need to go for class na. Only class means nothing will happen. Main program I need to take it. I need to do what? SP is equal to new student pick of SP dot save student data. SP dot student data. So I will go to this place student data here and it is getting open, accepting the data and saving. So let us go for this place. Something's one line I will keep it. This is for data saved into student data saved in a file. Try to run. So got it. Number 100 something RS, say something like 23 saved in a file. Go sorry. So 200 DR, say 56 saved in a file. Next I will go to 300. Next is called something 67. 3 records are saved. Once we did project, this is just left hand, left finger. Nothing is there. So this is done. Now unpickle program I need to write. Unpickle program. What is the unpickle program? Online students, I hope you are following me. This is reading the student records from file. Which file I am taking there? What is the file name? Student.data. I will show you that student.data is available or not. Student.data was created in where 11 a.m. under oops. Under that it is created. Student.data file is created. From there I want to read the data. So in this place I want to go for it. Come on, how do you read? Import pickle. Import pickle. After that, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? ఏం లేదు, మనం ఏం చేసేది లేదు, సార్ చూసుకుంటాడు అంతా. ఎందుకంటే మీరు క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్ అన్పిక్, స్టూడెంట్ అన్పిక్. మీకు ఎవరు చదువు చెప్పారు కానీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ లో కంప్లీట్ గా మొత్తం మీ బ్రెయిన్ అంతా తినేశారు వాళ్ళు. కంప్లీట్ రియల్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు ఏ కాలేజ్ అయినా చెత్త, మొత్తం మున్సిపాలిటీలో ఉన్న చెత్త అంతా అక్కడే ఉంది, టోటల్ చెత్త. సో దట్స్ వై యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఎనీ నాలెడ్జ్. అందుకనే 17 years నుంచి 22 years దగ్గర వరకు చాలా బ్రెయిన్ షార్ప్ ఉంటుంది. 17 years to 22 years బ్రెయిన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ షార్ప్ చదువుకునేటోడికి. దోస్ ఆర్ పర్సూయింగ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. రోమింగ్ హియర్ అండ్ దేర్, దట్ బ్రెయిన్ ఈజ్ షార్ప్. రియల్ అదర్ షార్ప్ విల్ బి దేర్. సో ఇన్ ది 17 to 21 years, teacher is a very important. And in colleges, what is happening? And I need not to tell you, you know everything what is happened. So, but when you come here, when we are teaching this kind of things more practically, mind is not supporting. Type error is coming. Type error, value error, index error, sometimes all errors are coming. Because you are not reading here also, because of that problem. So anyhow, read student records. Read student records. మీరు ఒకళ్ళే కాదు, మొత్తం అట్లే ఉంది మొత్తం అంతా. సో వాట్ టు డూ? హౌ టు రీడ్? Need to open the file in read mode. So how do you open it? With open, I will take up this records. What is my file name? I need to take up that path. Path I need to take. That path I need to take. RB as FP. FP. Under that, what should I do? So FP is pointing to the first record in the file. What to do? How to read the records now? FP dot load. FP dot load. FP dot load. Load off. Load off. ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసాను ఇట్లే రాసావా? సో డౌట్ వస్తుంది నాకు ఒకసారి. పికిల్ డాట్ లోడ్ ఆఫ్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఎఫ్పి డాట్ లోడ్ కాదు, పికిల్ డాట్ లోడ్ ఆఫ్. వాట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్? వాట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్? రికార్డ్ విల్ కమ్. Record will come. And that record I am going to print it. Print of what? Record. This is called one record only will come. Multiple records to come. Another time I have to write, another time I have to write. It will take what? If 20 records are there, 20 into 2 times I need to write, it is a 40 times. It is a waste of time. That's why how do you write the actual code? While true, while true. Come on. While true. What should I do? Huh? Fara. Fara while. మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తుంటే కోపం వస్తుంది ఒక పక్క, మళ్ళా వీళ్ళకి ఏం రాదు, ఎట్లా బతుకుతారు వీళ్ళని ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ బాధ అనిపిస్తుంది. గర్ల్స్కి ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, మీకే. గర్ల్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ సేఫ్. వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ లో ఎప్పుడు సేఫే ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు. బాయ్స్ ఆల్వేస్ అన్సేఫ్. చాలాసార్లు అవుట్ అయిపోతారు మీరు. యూ విల్ బి అవుట్ ఇన్ మెనీ టైమ్స్. సో So coming to the point back, record is equal to pickle dot load of FP. Now I will go to, now I'll go to record. Is what type? Record is what type? Hmm. Record earlier what type? List. Here record is which type? Hmm? Madhu? Record earlier is which type? List. Because list data was pickled. Now the student record is which type? Student type. Which data was pickled? Which data was pickled? SO. SO is an object of what? Student. When I pickled it, it is going to come to which one? Which one? Student. I will print. Just print చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ. Type of అని print చేస్తాను. Type of record. జాగ్రత్త చదువుకోండి. So EOF error. Now I will say what here? Break. Okay. Come out. Now I am going to write the main program. Main program. So what is that main program? SP is equal to SP is equal to student unpick. SP dot what? Read student records. Read student records. Are you following this? So execute this. Execute this. So coming to this, what is the type? Student, student, student. What is the first student? Muddu, class. What is the this student? Module. This is called what? Module. What is this is called? Class. Class name. So coming back here, three times printed. How do you print the content of a content? So here you are printing record. It can't print the data. It will print the address of that object. To print the data, what to do? I will say, tell me how to print the data. Tell me now. If you are really good student, tell me how to print the data. నేను 3 ways లో చెప్తాను. I will tell in 5 ways లో చెప్తాను. 5. You tell me one way. I will feel very happy. దాన్ని అల్ప సంతోషం అంటారు. చెప్పండి. ఎందుక మీరు డాట్ అండర్ స్కోర్ డిక్ట్ ఇది 32సారి చెప్పడం. చూడండి, చెప్పానా లేదా? కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా? రోజు తిడతా ఉంటాం మిమ్మల్ని ఇట్లనే. 32సారి, 33సారి. ఎందుక మీరు వేస్ట్ అని డైలీ. అండ్ విల్ సే, ఏం చేద్దాం సార్, బ్రెయిన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్ లైక్ దట్. బాయ్స్, బీ కేర్ఫుల్. So this is the data we got it. This one way. Another way is what? Another way, tell me. Another way. Dot SNO. Dot SNO. Record dot SName. Record dot marks. Object dot number. Object dot name. Object dot marks. Already explained now. Execute. Got the data. One more way. One more way for K comma V in record dot items. Print K comma V. K comma V. K comma V. Record dot underscore dict underscore dot items. See that? Got it. Number name, values are coming. Anyway, step in. Is it third way? Fourth way. Fourth way. Fourth way. Tell me. In student class, there is one method I defined it. What is the method? Display student values. It is an instance method which is printing so nicely. Go to the place. I am writing record dot record dot. It is an instance method. Record dot display values. What a super subject. It is also printing like this. How many value? How many times I am printing? Getting or not? These many ways I am just printing. These many ways I am printing. Record values. I printed. if this is the way how I'm going to print my data. So here I printed and this is the values getting printed. This is called which program? Unpickled program. Okay now. So this is how we print it. If you want, you can print in another way also through record dot, dict dot, values function is there. Through values also you can print it. Through values also you can print it. So here I defined more blandly. I defined one method. I'm printing my values so perfectly, something like this. This is called a class is defined. My own class is getting pickled. My own class is dumped here. My own class data is getting back here. This is the concept of what? Pickling and unpickling related activities. So here, oops related activity can do any kind of program perfectly. So I hope it is going to be more clear. And one more student is saying that Pujita is saying one more solution. You see here, one more solution is saying for value in record, for value in record, Pujita, you are saying, ma? So value here, value saying. So I will print it here. I will print it here, getting executed. What is coming, ma? So for value in record, it is giving error, ma. Pujita, you went wrong. So you are saying this. Got it? Problem here. So here I will go to record underscore underscore dict underscore dot. What is this now? Values. Record a dot. Dict values. Now you are going to get it. Also, method is not iterable, it is saying. Record dot dict underscore underscore. It is giving a problem there. So you need to go for like this. You need to go for like this. There you are supposed to write value. I can say record of what value you can say. So try to run this. So you are getting student object is not a subscriptable, it is saying. So better to go for all these things. One is already shown to you, the mechanisms. You try to go and you'll get the perfect answer. Are you following? So you want to insert one more data, you can insert it. What is this now? Number is called 500, Pujita, and next is called marks is called 44, 44, and record is inserted. You read that unpickle program, you will be getting Pujita data also is coming. Are you getting it? This is the way how you can read and then writing the data. Are you following this? Writing like this. So I hope so, students, you are understanding all the functional programming things can be written with oops related. So what do we need to do? If you are a good student, tomorrow what do you need to do? Loops. I set some programs now. All that loops programs you need to write it into by using these classes and objects. If you do, you will get good programming skill. You will get it. Okay now. So try to do tomorrow class. That is Sunday. Monday class. I'll go for this is what I discussed it. I will go for what? Constructors in Oops, I will go for it. Still, we are inside the class only. So if we come to this classes concept, syntax I will open. Syntax for defining the class in Python. You see, to define a class in Python, class name, instance method, class level method. Up to here only, today some additional examples I explained. Up to here only I was explained. And Monday class, I will introduce what? Constructors I will discuss. Constructors I will discuss. Still it is a part of what only? Class only. Next day I will go for what? Destructor I will enter. That is observing practically what garbage collector will do for us. That only will complete what is the class. So last 4 days onwards, which concept is going on? Class only going on. Are you understanding class called class? Hmm? Understanding? సార్ చూస్తే no 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 ఇప్పుడు ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఉన్నాడు అండర్స్టాండ్ like that. When I look at it, understanding now. Again looking, going to back side of the student. భయం, విపరీతమైన భయం. ఎందుకని? అంతే అది. రాలేదనుకో భయమే కదా. If you don't know, if సార్ is looking, fear only. లాస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్ అంతవరకు నాతో కళ్ళు చూస్తా ఉన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు చూడట్లే. ఎందుకంటే సార్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాడని. అట్లా ఉండకూడదు అసలు. యూ నీడ్ టు లుక్ ఎట్ సార్ ఓన్లీ. Later sir ask questions. If I read well, I will look at sir only. Correct? చదువుకుంటే ఇవన్నీ ఏముండవు. ఫర్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మెడిసిన్, దట్ ఈస్ రీడింగ్. వన్స్ యూ రీడ్ వెల్, no need to feel tension. Otherwise, every moment tension only. Because you believed education is your career, you have to believe your education and you have to start doing that. So, coming to the point back. So, I will go to next class. When we go to this place, constructor, I will go for it. Constructor's concept, I will go for it. So, this constructor concept, that is a Monday class I will introduce. Very, very important topic once again. So, I'll stop my class and don't miss tomorrow class. Monday class. రేపు నిద్రపోండి, ఓకే? చదువుతారా, నిద్రపోతారా? విల్ యూ స్లీప్ ఆర్ యూ విల్ రీడ్? యూ విల్ రీడ్. రీడ్ ఏమన్నా ఆన్సర్ చెప్తున్నారా నాకు? అండర్ స్కోర్ డిక్ట్ 33 times I said. Monday also I will ask. 34 time also you will not answer. You will not. Because different context, that concept will be coming. చదువుకోండి. So these are all the things is read well. So I'll stop my class. Monday class I'll go for it. Practice all these examples. Online students, I hope you followed this concept today. These examples I said. Monday class, don't miss it. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, you hold on. If any doubts are there,